What would you say to anyone who is in the valley of decision about coming to this event?
I know it's a time commitment, it's a cost commitment, it's a commitment to vulnerability as well in doing that. But let me tell you, there's no judgment. A lot of times we need to create space for the Father to move. And as you create space for that, setting that time aside, and as we then create the space for you, there's going to be a kind of a bit of a collision, a good collision that happens that will bear fruit.
I hear from so many leaders, taking time for myself, spending money on myself, that's a bit indulgent. I don't know if I have the space for that. But if you don't invest in you, nobody else will. If you don't take the time for you and for your heart, nobody else will. And then we can't complain about the fruit. Take the time. It's not an indulgence, it's actually critical. It's critical for you as a person, as a husband, as a wife, as a mother, as a father. But it's critical for you as a leader of your business, for the people that you lead, for the customers and the clients that you serve. They need a refreshed and healthy you. And when they get a refreshed and healthy you, they will get the best of God's kingdom coming through you. So take the time, you will not regret it.